How long will it film for that?
258 minutes. What's that?
About 4 hours or something.
I've only got 52 minutes left on that battery, look.
Yeah, I mean the battery.
Yeah. Yes, I see. Different colours of it.
Yeah, blue and green, isn't it?
Your language is disgusting, young lady. Do you know that? Absolutely disgusting.
There's some fireworks down there. I'm coming away now, we're getting slagged off too much. I'm standing over there.
Where's the rocket?
Here, good to say there then. Things packed in. Meant to be in the duck shirt with a salt box on.
Yeah.
With the main bonfire.
Yeah.
All going up at the same time.
Correct.
I want to see them rockets up a mile.
Miles.
Well, yeah, 50 yards.
Yeah.
It's a nice field.
Rockets on the road.
Is that what he's got?
These are them, the big rockets, the big show. Where's Louis?
Louis?
Where is it? No, it's the big show now.
Rocket man.
Oh, he's going to miss it.
Watch it with some brambles.
His face is good.
I have to keep turning that way.
Don't all be watching horror.
Oh yeah, that's a point.
You don't watch that, do you?
Yeah, come on, yeah.
Don't watch any of them.
No, I don't.
Oh, this effort for kids.
Happens I might not in a sharp hold.
You're going back a bit.
Are you watching these in there?
Well, it went that when you used to watch it,
Yeah.
when you were sharp.
Yeah.
Watching horror. Yeah, your man.
What was the little mate called again? Oh, Ina.
Minnie.
Yeah, Minnie. Oh,
Minnie
Ina.
Caldwell or something.
Yeah, Minnie Caldwell. Never seen her in London. Oh, Ina.
It used to be snug.
Yeah.
We don't have a snug now.
Get us another glass of milk stout. Come on, Richard, get them rockets going, lad.
In a prison
Put them in a mare with matches.
I beg your pardon, I don't think there's any need for that language, do you?
I think it's all getting going then.
I mean, our jacket's melting. My keys are red hot.
Dad, young Nestor's here.
Oh, is he here? Is he?
Look, you know.
Oh, come on, let's get him on camera. You in Nestor, surely.
Yeah.
Nestor, where are you? I'll get him on camera. You'll be in with food.
This is the big show, Louis.
Come on, Lewis, you get ready, mate.
Yeah, be excited.
Yeah.
He's excited. This is it, watch. All together. With about 15 pounds. That's it. Get them rockets going.
Yeah.
Yes, no black bubble gum.
Hey, a couple of rockets here.
Here's some
Rockets.
rockets now.
No.
How high?
What happened there?
It went off, but not very much.
No.
How high do you think we'll go?